Hello, I'm Alan Kelly, and I'd like to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about Team Retrospective cards. These are exactly what you might guess from the title. These are a set of cards which are designed primarily for Agile teams to hold team retrospectives. You open the pack up, you've got, I think it's 25, 26 cards, an instruction leaflet. You won't need that because I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with them. These cards are based on my dialogue sheets, which many people have seen and many people have used. Dialogue sheets are great. I encourage you to use them. They're A1 in size, which creates some logistics problems. The advantage of these cards is that they come in a slim box and they can easily go in your bag. Okay, so you open the pack, you get the cards out. If you're using a team, you shuffle them, you deal them out to your team. The person with the number 1 card, which happens to be a reminder of the Prime Directive, reads out the card, facilitates discussion around that card, what it means, how the team associate with it. When the agreement is reached, they put the card down, you move on to card number 2. The person with card number 2 reads the card, facilitates a discussion, you follow the instructions, you have a conversation, and then you move on to card 3, 4, and so on. You rotate the facilitation between the team members, so you don't need a Scrum Master or Agile coach. They can either take part themselves or they can just observe. That's very interesting. All team members, or most team members, get to take part in the retrospective. In addition to the 10 cards that guide you through the retrospective, there are some quotes cards with quotes which are designed to be both inspiring and perhaps a little bit humorous, get the conversation going. Other team members hold these cards, and team members can read out a quote of their choice at any time if they think it's appropriate, or they feel you need to have a little bit of a break, a little bit of a different conversation. Just pull out the card and read it. A change of perspective is worth 80 IQ points, says Alan Kay. Use them as you will. That's all there is to it, really. There's more about the cards on my website, where you'll find the dialogue sheets as well. While the dialogue sheets are free to download, you have to print them yourselves. These cards, we've had them designed and printed, so there's a small charge for them. They're available from eBay. There's the link for eBay, or if you go to the dialogue sheets website, you'll find the link to eBay from there. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy using the cards. Let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear your feedback. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.